It all started with a simple goal. Mart, the company behind the wildly popular Labubu toys, wanted to make its fans happy. For months, Labubu figures were nearly impossible to find, snapped up by scalpers and resold at sky-high prices. In June 2024, Mart fought back with a massive restock, aiming to flood the market and end the scalper frenzy. The plan made Labubu accessible to everyone, not just those willing to pay a premium, but the move had an unexpected side effect. The rarity that made Labubu so coveted vanished overnight. Suddenly, what was once a prized collectible became common. Casual fans cheered, finally able to buy the toy they'd seen all over social media. But collectors and resellers were furious. Their investments lost value instantly. The restock split the community, igniting debates and sending shockwaves through the toy world and even the stock market. Mart's attempt to please everyone had backfired, pitting fans, collectors, and investors against each other. The stage was set for a battle over what Labubu and collectible toys should really be. To understand the chaos, you need to know the players. Labubu is a mischievous, big-eared character from the Monsters series, created by Hong Kong artist Casing Lung. Its quirky design and endless variations have made it a must-have for collectors worldwide. Mart, the company behind Labubu, revolutionized the toy industry with the blind box model. Buy a box, get a surprise figure. The thrill of the unknown and the chase for rare chase figures turned buying toys into an addictive experience. Mart's strategy fueled a global collecting craze, with fans trading, selling, and showing off their finds online. Owning a rare Labubu became a status symbol, connecting fans in a vibrant community. Mart grew from a small retailer to a global powerhouse, with stores and vending machines across the world. Their mastery of hype and limited drops made Labubu a cultural and financial phenomenon, but at its core, Labubu is more than a toy. It's art, self-expression, and a symbol of modern collecting, and that's what made the restock so explosive. The Labubu restock split the fanbase in two. Casual fans and newcomers celebrated. They could finally buy Labubu at retail prices. Social media buzzed with excitement as first-time buyers shared their joy. But long-time collectors and resellers were devastated. Years of building collections and investing in rare figures were wiped out as prices crashed. Collectors felt betrayed, believing Mart had destroyed the exclusivity that made their hobby special. Resellers, whose business depended on scarcity, saw their profits evaporate overnight. Online, debates raged. Was Labubu meant for everyone or just for those who valued rarity? The restock forced the community to confront what collecting really means: passion or profit. Mart, trying to democratize its toys, had instead alienated its most loyal and high-spending fans. The fallout was fierce, and the company found itself in the crossfire. The drama didn't stop with fans. It hit the stock market hard. News of the restock and fan backlash sent Mart's shares tumbling by 15% in a single day. Investors panicked, fearing the loss of exclusivity would damage the brand's premium image and future sales. The company's success had always relied on hype and scarcity. Now, that balance was shattered. Analysts questioned whether Mart was sacrificing long-term value for a quick fix. The stock drop was a wake-up call. In collectibles, perception is everything. When exclusivity disappears, so does financial value. The Labubu restock exposed just how fragile the business of hype can be. Investors, fans, and the company all faced a new reality. As if fan and investor backlash weren't enough, Mart faced a new challenge: government scrutiny. Chinese regulators warned the blind box industry about marketing to minors and encouraging gambling-like behavior. The Labubu frenzy, with its price speculation and hype, was exactly what authorities feared. Mart pledged to cooperate, promising more transparency and consumer protections. The industry now faces stricter oversight and a push to move away from extreme scarcity. For collectors, the days of toys as quick investments may be over, shifting focus back to art and community. The Labubu saga is a lesson for everyone. In the world of collectibles, keeping all sides happy is nearly impossible. The future of fun will depend on finding a balance between hype, responsibility, and genuine passion.